Proper cooking is an effective way to control food safety. Cooking kills most of the microorganisms that can cause illness. Raw animal products need to be cooked to the following internal temperatures measured in the thickest part with a probe thermometer.
Chicken, 165 for 1 second. Ground and cut up meats, 155 for 17 seconds. Steak, pork, fish, and eggs, 145 for 15 seconds.
After foods are cooked to the proper temperature, they need to be handled safely to ensure that no bare hand contact or cross-contamination occurs afterward. Cooked products must never be stored next to raw animal products. Although undercooking foods increase the chance of foodborne illness, establishments may provide the option for customers to request having undercooked foods, such as rare meats, sunny-side-up eggs, and raw oysters if a consumer advisory notice is declared on the menu.